Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how the contractors can see your route. What's up, Blake? It's alright, you're on the video now. And how they see the routes, how we see the routes, and the application they use, where you can have a tablet, use your phone, you can see the areas and how it loads as you scan it, how it updates on here. Right now I'm starting with bags until the trailer starts. So all these green dots are what I've scanned already. The blue dots, like this one and this one, they're blue. Those are my pickups that I have already. So it's showing that I have 17 stops so far. Right here. $73 so far stops. $85. Alright guys, we just logged into the PackageRoute system. This app here tells us the information we need to be successful. This is here showing the routes that we have, the stops, what order. There's little numbers on there. You can always go out of order. This is just the way it's going to show in your handheld device on how you want to deliver it. So the first area I'm going to start shows 3, 5, 9, 6, 7, 4. It's kind of tricky the order it's in, but like I said, I go in the order that I want to deliver it, not that the scanner wants me to deliver it in. Only because I've been doing the route for about 2 years now, and I kind of know, what part of the streets the houses are at without looking at this. I don't use this, but this is for people who first day starting, things of that sort, and how they can be successful. So you see the check marks; those are already cleared, done. Sometimes it is delayed. You could be further, and they just haven't come off, which is fine. So this is a couple areas that I'm going to right now. Next, you see the check marks, the greens are the ones still need to be done. There you go. There's an update on it. You can actually move these dots also if you see that the house is in a different location than where it's saying. All this area is done here. All that's done. I already turned around. I'm starting my U-turn. 65 stops out of 138 at 42.9 stops an hour. Alright, that's clear. 72 stops at 43.2 stops an hour. And I'm just kind of skipping through. I'm going to the next area when I'm done, and I'm updating it. That's why it's showing like this. Alright, so those are completed there. 87 stops at 42.8 stops an hour. $95 stops at 42.2 stops an hour. Next area here. The phone kept disconnecting the internet, so I was just updating it every once in a while. You see it went away. Now it's good. So pretty much we're gonna move down to these areas. Looks like there's only 4 stops on this side, so it's not too bad. Mainly it's just traveling to certain spots. Once you get into the spot, you stay there, you knock the whole area out, and then you come back on the main highway and you get to your next area. 95 stops at 42.2 stops an hour so far. 120 stops at 41.4 stops an hour. So I've done everything on the right, turned around again, coming back to the home stretch. Alright, so we got, see, 121 is like completely off from 119. It's so far away sometimes you just got to know how you want to do it, you know, what area comes first. You can skip areas instead of, it'll have you go back and forth sometimes. So these are the last stops here. Starts at 126, 135, and then goes 131. I go out of order here always. It always puts me out of order. 138 at 40.8 stops an hour. So we got 2 more stops here, and we'll be done. Call it quits for the day. So we finished at 1:13 p.m. 140 stops and a 41.0 average. That means I'm delivering 41 packet houses an hour average. And then this is just another day, different date, showing you I finished at 12:52 that day with 120 stops and an average 37.7 stops an hour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and use it for information purposes, so you don't have fear for working for a delivery company. Every delivery company should have an app similar to this that can make sure you get to the destination. You don't have to go to any job knowing the addresses. You just need to know how to, you know, use the information given to you to be able to find the address. They got pinpoints, they got the handheld devices have a GPS on it where you can hit direction and it'll literally take you to the house. It'll, you know, just like your phone, Google Maps or anything like that. So don't be afraid to work for a company doing deliveries. They're always going to supply you with the tools you need to be successful. And enjoy the rest of the video that's left, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Also, I wanted to add, if you see a hashtag on your map, that means that there's multiple stops in like the same location. Apartments, that will happen with. Businesses that have suites, that will happen in, okay? From there, you're going to have to look at your scanner, and I write on the boxes the suite numbers and the apartment numbers so I don't have to look at the scanner. That's the easiest and best way. Get a fat marker, black marker, and just write on there. That way when you get in the area, you literally just look at the box and you know the order to go in. Because if not, once you look at the scanner, you have to click, you have to touch the location and to see each apartment number one by one. So for that, you just do it at the time you get the box. You see it's an apartment, you write 102, 103, A, B, C, whatnot, you know, anything for you to be able to just look at the box and identify where it's going to go instead of and planning out which one you're going to do. Because if you got upstairs, downstairs, you know you're going to do the 200s that go up, and then the 100s are on the bottom. Like I said, again, I hope this is very informative for you, and good luck.